Hi, my name is Suzanne, and I just want to tell you about the journey I've been on. And basically, I'm just about to change my life, learn something new. And I started this gas training course, and I got stuck on my portfolio. And the portfolio, like many people do know, is one of the breaking points. And so I started researching, and I found in our boiler repairs, and Tony's the one who runs it. So I researched into that, seen a few videos of others, wasn't quite sure, booked it anyway because I thought, okay, take the risk. So beginning this week I came here and I did the 5 days, and at first I thought, not really sure, but let's see. So the week's gone by, and it's been really inspiring. I have taken away loads, much more than I thought. Not just in case of portfolio, gas portfolio, but in the sense of where to look out in the future, where to go, how to build myself, how to develop. And I've taken away so much, which I still need to process myself, but yes, I'm hoping that anybody else who's in a situation gives this a go, because it's only win, win, win. As a woman, gaining the confidence to being able to make it in this industry, and also by Tony sticking to his word, because at first I was skeptical. I don't trust really easily. So when I've seen Tony the first time and he said all them things, I take away so much this week, and I thought, okay, I wonder how that's going to go. But he stuck to his word and he's proven. I learned so much. I had so many conversations about technical experience or technical knowledge, and more how to develop yourself as a person, to become stronger and to know which path to take for the future. So all I can say, the industry needs more women, and in our boilers is definitely the place to, or which helped me to achieve so much, and I'm sure it will help others to achieve much more. And yeah, thank you for watching, and all the best.